Hi everyone, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the second episode to create to-do list using JavaScript. In the previous episode, we had a quick preview of our demo site. Plus, we looked at our markup and run Hello World using the alert function. Today, I'll show you how to hide and show the list when we click on a button. First of all, we'll select two items and assign them in variables. The first one will be this hide list button because action will be taken based on clicking this button. Then the second one will be this listholder div because this is the actual div which will be hidden or shown based on clicking the button. Let's do them now. Open your text editor and then open main.js. You can remove this hello world. Then you can add a comment called show or hide button. Then the first thing we have to do is create variables. So I'll just write a comment. Then the first variable I want to call it toggle btn, and then I will use document.querySelector. And then here we have to get either ID or class name of the button. So I will use this toggle btn ID. Then we have to add another variable called div list. Again, let's use document.querySelector. And then this time we will use the class name called listholder. Then let's add click event for this toggle button. So I will use toggle btn.addEventListener. And since it is click event, I will write click over here. Then inside this click event, let's add if else condition. Now I will just add the condition. Now it means when toggle button is clicked and if div list is hidden by default, then show div list, otherwise hide the div list. Now check the site and make sure whether it works or not. Refresh the site and then click on this hide list. And it seems it is working. Now let's change this button to show list when this list item is hidden. So you can add over here toggle button dot in your HTML equals. So whenever the list is visible, you can add it hide list. Otherwise, whenever the list is hidden, you can call it show list. Refresh the site, click on hide list, and it now becomes show list. Click on show list, it becomes hide list. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll add a list item when we click on this add item or hit the enter key. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials in the future. Thank you.